In the new hit movie Now You See Me, Now You Don't, Jack Wilder is seen on a cruise ship shooting cards out of the deck into his hand. And I'm going to teach you exactly how he does it. Now, the playing cards that Jack Wilder actually uses in the movie is these right here. They're called the Monarch playing cards by Theory 11. And of course, if you want to pick these up, I'll link them in the description below, but personally, they're not my favorite cards for this move. My favorite cards for this move is the Descendants playing cards because of the way that they spin, and considering they're going to be spinning as they're going through the air, this deck feels way more fitting. So now let me teach you how it's done. The nice thing is it's a one-handed move. The other hand is just used to catch the cards. Place your thumb on the bottom right corner, your middle on the top right corner, and that is all you're going to need for the grip. And make sure it's all the way to the outside, even part of my fingers are hanging over the edge. If you use something like this where your thumb is all the way past the edge, it's not going to work as well. You want it to be partially hanging over. Once you're in this position, your pointer finger is going to do all the work. Now, one thing that I see people try to do when first learning this move is using their nail to be able to pull this card down. And what's going to happen is you're going to end up getting multiple cards when you do, and it's not going to work very well. So the only way to actually ensure that you're not getting multiple cards is to not go along the top edge, but to actually just use friction on the back of the card. So you're just going to use the pad of your pointer finger on the back of the card when you're pulling down. And what that's going to do is do this. And now there's only one card here. Now when you're doing this move, however far you think you're going to have to pull a little bit further. You're going to take your pointer finger, put it at the top of this card, and just using the pad of your finger, start to pull down toward your thumb. And notice how I'm not pulling straight down, I'm actually pulling a little bit toward the palm of my hand. So as you do, the bend in this card right here is going to start to create pressure, and once you release it, it will let go of that pressure and it will shoot up. One thing you will not want to do again is to pull straight down, because if you pull straight down, when you let go, it'll just end up going straight back into that middle finger. Another reason why you want it as far as to the right side as you can get it. So when you do it, have your finger as far to the right side as possible. You're gonna pull down and pull to the right. And you're gonna be pulling your finger down like this to where it starts with the whole pad of your fingers touching it. And slowly, less and less of your fingers actually touching it until it's just the nail of your finger. Once it's just the nail of your finger, that's not gonna have enough friction to hold the card and it will shoot up. Now I'm gonna take my middle finger off so you can really see what's happening here. I'm going to pull down on it. It's gonna come off my thumb and pop just like that. It's the same concept of a move called flicker shot when you're holding it just like this, same corners, and it gets it to shoot when all you have to do is bend it toward the one hand and it shoots the same way. Except for now, instead of actually releasing from the thumb side, now you're releasing from the middle finger side. And if you put all those moves together, this is what it should look like. And if you like learning moves from Now You See Me, then this is the perfect channel for you, because I have an entire playlist dedicated to all the moves that I've taught from the Now You See Me movies. If you want to check out the playlist, check it out right here, and comment down below exactly what move you want to see from the newest one next. Pick up the playing cards that I used right here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. This is CPM, signing off.